So we've just had a big rainstorm, and there's tons of birds out. And the birds have pretty much been inside all day. And you could hear them too. And they're all in my neighbor's backyard. And they're big. Like these big robins. They have these. Look at all of them. Oh, it's so cool. Yeah, and we just had this really big cold front and all this rain. And the rain finally stopped. And now we have all these big robins out here. They're just hanging out. You can see there's a bird feeder there. Used to be a big crystal ball here, but we removed it for the hurricane. It's a shame. It's really neat. Beautiful backyard. And this backyard in the springtime, in the summertime, the rabbits come out in this field and they eat all the grass. Right now it's the birds. It's one of my favorite trees right there. I don't think you should have favorite trees, but I absolutely love looking at it. And there's just all these birds. Yeah. I was upstairs in my room, just looking outside. I was about to work out and do yoga. I came out here because I looked out the window, drinking decaf coffee, and I saw these birds. Oh, more birds are flying in. Wow. Wow. Look at all of them. And we're about to get more rain, I guess. Wow, it's absolutely beautiful out here. Alright everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Spent time with my buddy Steve today, and he had this epiphany this morning, and he wanted to go to the pawn shop and sell all of his guns, so I went with him for moral support in the gun selling. And he sold all his guns, and when we walked in with all of his guns to sell, the song Wind of Change, you know that song from the 80s? You know, down on Donkey Park. It was on the radio in the pawn shop. And when we finally finished the sale of the guns, Panama came on. You know, like, Panama. Classic. Ooh. There he goes. All right, everybody, have a great day. See you soon. Peace, and enjoy the birds and the calmness.